Hi everyone, my name is Doris. I'm one of the owners of Shasta Coin Laundry at 253 East Baseline Road in Rialto. I wanted to tell you a little bit about our top loaders and how not to overload them, because that is the most common mistake that will make these machines completely stop. And then you've got your clothes in the water and no one knows what to do. So, first of all, these machines do not fill all the way up the barrel with water. Federal government doesn't allow it. They don't do it anymore. It cannot be manipulated. It just is that way. So the water fills about 3/4, maybe a smidge more of a way up the barrel. So you do not want to fill the barrel all the way to the top with your clothing. It really won't get wet and it will not get washed well. So keep that in mind. Another reason not to overload and not to push it is because your clothing will not be able to move. It's going to be one big bundle just kind of moving. The soap can't get through, the water can't get through, you can't get nice clean clothes. You've got to give them room to move. Another reason not to overload. Over here on the right side is the lid switch. They don't make things like they used to. The lid switch bends. I can bend it easily with my hand. So if you've overloaded and the barrel is banging into this lid switch, it's going to stop because it's protecting itself. So if that happens, there's only two options. The first is to split your load. You're going to have to start another machine and make it lighter, put the lid down. Most likely it will start again. But if the damage has already been done and the lid switch has been bent too much, it will not start. You're going to have to move all of your clothing over and start another machine. Don't overload these machines. They can't handle it.